This is how to easily connect an AgCam, EnduraCam, or RazerCam camera into a Case New Holland AFS Pro 1200 pre-wired cab monitor or a Case New Holland Pro 700 pre-wired cab monitor. On the back of the monitor it has all these camera ports. Don't use those for this adapter. Your Case New Holland was pre-wired for other cameras. What you need to do is look for this connection. It might be on the back of the seat, on the armrest, or outside behind the cab. Once you locate this, you're all set. And all you need to do is buy the CNH H2C adapter cable from Dakota Micro. It has a CPC 7-socket female connector on one side and 2 Switchcraft EN3 5-socket females on the other. Now you can plug in up to 2 AgCams, EnduraCams, or RazerCam cameras into the monitor. And if you need extension cables, we have a huge selection of lengths to choose from. The AFS Pro 1200 and 700 monitors only accept a CVBS signal, but you need to verify that just to make sure. And both of these monitors accept either NTSC or a PAL format. Always verify that before you buy a camera. Once you know what signal and format your monitor accepts, it's easy. Visit our monitor input guide on our website to see all of our adapter cables and more. We even have a whole page dedicated to them because we're that confident that we have the right cable just for you. All these cables are built to last and they're tougher than a tax audit, and they're made right here in the USA because we believe in building things right the first time.